Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable display over other apps on your Android-based smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel phone, doesn't really matter. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to have you guys covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is just swipe up on the home screen and select the setting gear button. Underneath settings, you want to select the apps button on this page. And then under general, you want to scroll down and select where it says special app access. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select display over other apps. And then you would select whatever apps you want to allow that for. And you would just toggle it to allow display over other apps just by toggling this oval to the on position like you see here. And that is all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.